The Aquascape Waterfall Spillway makes it easy to create one-of-a-kind waterfalls and streams, providing smooth, consistent, leak-free water flow. Aquascape spillways are extremely versatile and can be used in a wide variety of water feature applications where more expensive biological filters may not be necessary, including Aquascape pondless waterfalls or adding an additional stream onto an existing pond. This compact and extremely strong unit is positioned at the start of your waterfall or stream. Its durable design allows boulders, gravel, soil, or other creative landscape materials to be set directly on top, making it easy to camouflage and blend into the surrounding landscape. Strategically positioned internal barriers diffuse the incoming water to provide smooth, consistent flow. A professional plumbing port on the back of the spillway provides a secure and watertight connection. Installation is quick and easy, and the Aquascape Waterfall Spillway comes complete with multiple fittings for trouble-free setup. The Waterfall Spillway is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring years of reliable use. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years in order to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.